Hello students. Now we are going to discuss an example on exponential probability distribution. The example is quite interesting and it is related to telephonic conversation. The length of the conversation in a booth, means telephone booth, has been an exponential distribution and found on an average to be 5 minutes, means this is mean. Then find the probability of a random call made from this booth. First, ends less than 5 minutes. Second, the duration of the call will be between 5 to 10 minutes. Then how do you calculate this? Very first, by exponential distribution, we should know what is the function and what is the mean given. That these two things are very much required. So from here, then we can understand what is f of x. F of x is nothing but alpha into e raised to minus alpha x, where x is greater than 0. And no doubt x is more than 0, then there is no question at all. Then comes mean. Mean mu is nothing but 1 divided by alpha. Therefore, as per this it is given, what is mean? Mean is nothing but 5. It is given. Therefore, mean mu is nothing but 1 by alpha, which is nothing but 5. Therefore, alpha is equal to 1 divided by 5. So this is the value of alpha what we got. And due to this value, the function f of x becomes 1 divided by 5 into e raised to minus 5 x divided by 5. So this becomes a function. Okay. Then let us go through case number 1. What is case number 1? The call ends less than 5 minutes. Means when they go for a conversation, that call get disconnected or it ends within 5 minutes. Means it may be 4 minutes 59 seconds or less than that also. Less than 5 minutes we can consider. Therefore it is nothing but probability of call ends less than 5 minutes. Okay. How do you write this? It is nothing but probability of x less than 5. Okay. Probability of x less than 5 means what? This is nothing but probability of x less than 5 can be written as integration between 5 means what? From where? From 0 to. Because we know that x is equal to 0 to infinity. And this side it is minus infinity, and this is functional value 0, and here the functional value will be equal to this, that is nothing but this. But up to 5 we need to take, so only we are calculating this portion, we are not taking this for a consideration. Therefore this will be between 0 to 5 into f of x dx. Therefore integration between 0 to 5, what is f of x? For this example with a mean 5, this is 1 divided by 5 into e raised to minus x divided by 5 with respect to x. Therefore, if we take 1 divided by 5 common, then integration of e raised to minus x by 5 will be e raised to minus x divided by 5 divided by minus of 1 divided by 5 between 0 to 5. So this get cancelled. Therefore, minus, take it out. Then substitute upper and lower limit. If you put upper limit in place of x, then it becomes e raised to minus 5 divided by 5 minus. If you put x equal to 0, then it becomes e raised to 0. Fine. So this is nothing but minus e raised to 5 by 5 means 1. So it is e raised to minus 1. Minus of minus plus e raised to 0. Okay, or else we can write e raised to 0 is nothing but 1, and this is 1 divided by e. If you put it in a calci, then we'll be getting the answer for this is 0.6321. So this will be the value of a probability where x is less than 5. Means the call ends less than 5 minute chance is 63.21%. 63.21% of the chance is there where the call may disconnect within 5 minutes, or the conversation may take place less than 5 minutes. Second, we are going to calculate the probability of a call between 5 and 10 minutes. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes means what? This is nothing but a probability of 5 less than x less than 10. It is quite simple one. So probability of 5 less than x less than 10 is nothing but integration between 5 to 10 of f of x dx. You know that what is f of x? Substitute here. Then it becomes integration from 5 to 10, 1 divided by 5 e raised to minus x divided by 5 with respect to x. Therefore this is equal to 1 divided by 5 is taken out. Then what is integration of e raised to minus x by 5? It is e raised to minus x divided by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5 between 5 to 10. So again 1 by 5 get cancelled. Therefore this is equal to minus of, substitute upper limit, then it becomes e raised to minus 10 divided by 5 minus, if you put lower limit as 5 in place of x, then it becomes e raised to minus 5 divided by 5. So which is equal to ones are twos are, so it is e raised to minus 2 outside minus, then minus, if you take one ones are, then it is e raised to minus 1. Okay, or else it is minus of minus plus, so it is e raised to minus 1 is nothing but 1 by e. Then minus e raised to minus 2 is nothing but 1 divided by e square. If you calculate, it will be 0.2325. Therefore probability of 5 less than x less than 10 is equal to 0.2325. What is the meaning? When the conversation takes place with an average of 5 minutes, if you take a summary or the analysis of all the conversations in a telephone booth, where the call which get disconnected or conversation ends within 5 minutes is 63.21%, and where the conversation may takes place between 5 to 10 minutes is 0.2325, means 23.25% of the chances. Thank you.